Hey everybody, welcome. I am Guntigan, and welcome to Friday Night Puffs, when I share three weed stories with all of you. And I think I have three pretty good ones for you tonight. I hope you are enjoying the weed for me, and I hope you enjoy these stories. Let's get right into them. The first story I have tonight is about a doctor named Matthew Roman, aka America's Medical Marijuana Doctor, and he is very liberal in prescribing marijuana to his patients, and he also smokes weed himself for PTSD. And the state of Pennsylvania Board of Medicine revoked his license for smoking weed. The board claimed that he was not skilled to perform on patients. However, the report did not list any case where he mistreated a patient in any way. So personally, I think that's really fucked up. My second story is about a man who has received 300 joints per month from, guess who? Uncle Sam. Yes, the U.S. government has sent this man about 135,000 joints since 1982. Um, and because he has a very rare bone condition, I believe, and this government program actually is the FDA. It's the FDA. He's a patient of in the FDA's Compassionate Investigational New Drug Program. However, the joints that he gets from the U.S. government are only 4% THC and does not get him stoned. Um, so I think that's pretty interesting. I never heard of this before. I, I don't know if they still have this compassionate investigational new drug program in place. I'm gonna look it up. Um, and the article is really long, and it will be linked down below, of course, with the other articles. Okay, folks, this is my last story, and it's really funny, I think. In Brazil, the police detained a parrot because the parrot alerted drug dealers of the presence of police. The parrot was trained to yell out "Mama, police" when the parrot heard the cops coming to the house. So the police detained the parrot and, of course, took him to a local zoo. And the couple, which is described as a man and teenage girl, were arrested. And the suspect's legal rep, meanwhile, has disputed police allegations regarding the parrot. So there you go, folks. Those are my three stories for tonight. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know which was your favorite. And let me know what you're smoking on or doing on tonight as well. Alright? And as always, keep rolling.